Hello and welcome to digitalchiksha.com. My name is Sumit and I'm going to explain you how you can create a gallery post in your WordPress. It's quite very simple. So what you need to do is you need to go to the post and you need to click on the add new from here. After clicking on the add new, you will get a screen where you can create a gallery post. So this is the title. Suppose I want to create a gallery for my business, which is regarding digital marketing. So I written here digital marketing gallery, and after doing it, I click on the add media button here. And most of the people think that they need a plugin to create a gallery, but it's available in the WordPress media. And I'll show you where it is available. So here it is. It's after add media, you can see there is a create gallery button. So you need to click on the create gallery, and after creating a gallery, what you need to choose the pictures from here, which pictures you need for a gallery. So I'm clicking on the couple of pictures from here so that I can put all these pictures into my gallery. So I've selected almost a few pictures. Now I'll click on the create new gallery, and once I click on it, I'll get this screen over here, and these are the couple of pictures which I can see I'm going to show in my gallery. So, and if you will see at the right hand side, there are thumbnails. You can change the size of the pictures. You can click on the random orders over there from here, and another is the columns. If you want to make two columns, 1, 3, 4, you can choose from here. And this is a link to button, means that if you want somebody to, if somebody click on your picture, he or she should move to the another page, you can give a link from here. So these are the options available over here. So now we have created or put in the couple of pictures here. Now let's go and insert a gallery here. So I have inserted a gallery, and after inserting it, you can see all these pictures over here in your gallery. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to click on the save draft so that I can look how does it look like. After clicking on the save draft, I'll go to my I'll go to the preview. I'll click on the preview button so that I can see the preview of these pictures. So let's see how does it look like in your post before publishing it. So that if you need any changes, you can make the changes accordingly. It's taking a little bit time, so just give me a moment here. So let's see, here it is available. So this is my gallery for the digital marketing gallery. So this is how it's going to look like. These are the pictures which we have taken. If you want to view these pictures, you can click on it, and you will see that it has taken you to the another page. If you want to see in carousel, then you need to use a plugin for that. But I'll show you that how you will be using a carousel in another video uh, if you want carousel for these pictures or these galleries. But in for the beginners, this is how you can create a gallery post in WordPress. So that's all. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel, and I'll get back to you with another video about WordPress. So thank you for watching. Goodbye.